I work for an organization called Family Wellness Therapy Center. And this is the very second to the last thing we are going to do. Family Wellness Therapy Center. A staff is here. I don't want to lose my job. So, Ms. Janet Adeoye, please come and tell us what Family Center does. You have 5 minutes to tell us. You can see that we have to leave here fast. You want to sit? Oh, you can take this. Take this.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, good evening, sirs and mas. Firstly, I want to appreciate you all for staying to this present moment. I am really grateful for that. And also, I want to appreciate my boss, Dr. Pamela Udoka, for giving me this space to talk about Family Wellness Therapy Center. So, basically, I will try my best to not waste time. And at the same time, I would like you all to pay attention. So, firstly, what is Family Wellness Therapy Center? So, Family Wellness Therapy Center is an organization that deals with mental health. So, our focus is on transforming lives, one family at a time. All right. So our core values, so apart from our vision and mission statement that you can all see, our focus is actually on helping individuals achieve the state of mental health, the state of mental well-being, psychological well-being, and being able to achieve the best that they can get. Also, our core values include empathy, confidentiality, and also innovation. We also deal with research and training. So all the people that are working in the organizations are trained staffs. So they don't just give them and say, okay, go and address this. No, they're all well trained. And at the same time, confidentiality, even despite the fact that, as you can see from the individual that was presented, despite the fact that he was willing to showcase his face, we still know that we have to protect his identity. So confidentiality is one of our core values. Also, our services include both physical and virtual mental health support. Yes, so we provide clinical therapy for adults, and at the same time, marital therapy, sex therapy, maybe for individuals that are also undergoing depression, anxiety, whatever the psychological concerns can be, we also address that. Also, we also organize workshops and seminars, something like this, where we train individuals and corporates on how to achieve mental health. Also, we also do employee assistance program. Trust me, employees also need psychological well-being. So we train individuals on stress management, on conflict resolutions, and so on, so that the organization can reach the optimum mental health. So who we serve, I already mentioned, mature individuals, couples. We also deal with adults that are facing stress, depression, anxiety, and so on. Then also we work with corporate individuals. Then why choose us? So we are specialized in adults and couples, and at the same time, we don't just address individuals. In fact, there's a need for everyone to understand that before any psychological interventions can come in, assessment is key. And that is where we triumph, because we don't just address individuals' concern, oh, you come, I'm having anxiety, and then we just dabble into it. No. We actually do the proper psychological assessment, and also we have licensed professionals that deal with this. Also, there's accessibility, whereby we understand that the nature of some people is like maybe their work won't give them time to come around. So there's virtual session that can be scheduled for that. So psychological cases that has been addressed from year 2022 to 2025. So we were able to gather certain data. Sorry, I need to catch my breath. All right, yes, so I'm back. So psychological cases that has been addressed from 2022 to 2025. So these data are just the data that we can lay our hands on. So you can imagine how long, like other data that are actually behind us. So for 2022 to 2025, the total number of individuals that we've worked with are 278. And out of all these, we have 278 individuals, and out of all this, as you can see from the data, 38.5% are actually sex-related things. So you can see how much sex we actually help in addressing sex-related stuff, like sex-related concerns, I mean. Then at the same time, marital therapy, we also do marital therapy. So majority of people also reach out for marital concerns. Then at the same time, there's anger management, mood disorders, drug rehabilitation. There are people that came in for assessment, ADHD assessment, and so on. So that's just the graph for 2022 to 2025. So organizations that we've worked with, Microsoft, Standard Chartered, and so on. Now, let's talk about our founder, who is also the lead therapist at Family Wellness Therapy Center. I believe you already know about her, but we can't also know everything about her. So there's a need for me to point out one or two things that she has done. So firstly, I want to mention the fact that she has had over 20 years clinical experience. So that's over 20 years clinical practice of working with individuals and corporate firms when it comes to psychological concerns. And at the same time, she has also worked with, she has worked in public service, that's for 34 years. And also she's the lead trainer and founder of Beyond Intercourse Academy. Yes, your health is our priority, and that's why we are reaching out for you to book a session with us. And also you can invite us to train your team. You can follow us on social media, and at the same time you can reach out to us so that we can work together to build resilient family. So our sex therapy is there, marital therapy. And also, if you find yourself having burnout, depressive symptoms, I won't say you have depression, but depressive symptoms, or you notice some anxiety concerns, like anxiety symptoms, reach out to us for proper diagnosis. So it is not enough for you to just go online and research. Oh, in fact, most people just reach out and tell us, I'm having anxiety. I'm like, oh, good. Then someone will come, I'm having depression. Okay. In fact, at the point, most people's discussion was centered around, oh, last year when I was having this depression, and you're like, how are you sure that you actually have the depression? Is it diagnosed? So yes, so you can reach out to us for proper assessment. So yes, that's the end. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Family Wellness Therapy Center, when I did try. Brilliantly presented. Brilliantly presented. Thank you so very much. To be candid with you, I never saw those slides. She collected the data, prepared the slides. She sent it to me. I said, I cannot say it. I trust your judgment, present it. Did she do a good job or not? Please, thank you very much. Ms. Adeoye, the staff of Family Wellness Therapy Center.